Hey guys, today I'll be telling you how you can make a website with Wix with a step-by-step guide. How do you make a website with Wix? So that's a question we are going to answer in this video. Specifically, we will cover how to create an account with Wix. I use Wix AI builder feature and select a template that will set your site up for success. Design and customize your website with the Wix editor. Add extra functionality to your site with the Wix app. Publish your Wix website to make it live. But before we get started, let's go through a very brief intro why Wix might be a good option for your website. So let me tell you a brief introduction about Wix. So while we are using WordPress to build website for its flexibility, Wix is a solid website builder option for folks who prefer a simpler, more hands-off website building experience. Here's a quick look at the highlights of using Wix. So it has a visual drag and drop editor, easily customize any templates without needing to touch a line of code, and it has 500 pre-made templates. You can choose from 500 highly optimized, customizable, and eye-catching templates. So it has artificial intelligence design tool, which can create a website for you using their artificial design intelligence tool ADI. There are a lot of Wix apps. You can see the Wix app marketplace contains both free and premium apps and e-commerce functionality. While it's not a heavy duty for e-commerce platform, Wix includes everything you need to sell some product. So it has built-in hosting security and maintenance because Wix is a fully hosted solution. Hosting security and the maintenance of your website are all taken care of for you. Support Wix also has a well-organized knowledge base to help you get started. You can also submit a support ticket or chat on the phone to one of the help team if you have a problem. How you can create a website with Wix. So let's begin. First of all, you have to create a Wix account. To make a website with Wix, you will first need to register for an account. Open the Wix homepage and click on Get Started. So you will be then asked to enter your email address and create an account. So after answering a few short questions about your new website, the sign up process is complete. Next, you will be asked whether you want to create a website with the Wix editor or let the Wix area tool design a website for you. So let's Wix ADI create a website for you. Although Wix artificial intelligence is a useful tool, it is design customization options are limited to compare the Wix templates and editor. Therefore, if you have a basic understanding of a website design, and I mean basic, you can skip it and do the basic one. However, if you are totally new to building website, then Wix may be a good option for you. ADI may be a good option for you. After selecting start now, the tool will then ask you a few questions about your project. Make sure you are carefully choose the design option that most appeal to you, as the ADI tool will design a website based on your answers. So your new website will open within the ADI editor. So mastering the ADI editor. So the ADI editor is easy to navigate, but here are just few pointers to get you started. Elements. Click on an element to customize it. The setting for a selected element will appear in the left-hand menu bar, where you can then make any necessary alteration. Options include changing the image, writing text, adding button, and more. So add a page, select page, add page from the top menu bar, then select from a range of new page types and pre-made page templates. So design, click on design in the top menu to change your website theme, layout, or alter global colors, fonts, and more. So, however, if you want more control over your website, you will be better than skipping the area and selecting your own template, which is the method I would recommend. So let's talk about choosing a Wix website template. To get started with the Wix editor, choose a template and to find design that match your site, that you can filter the templates by category, and you can also view each template in the demo mode. So once you have found a template that fits your project, click edit. So you can also customize your website with the Wix editor. So once you select a template, you will be able to customize it within the Wix editor using simple drag and drop editing. To get started, click on element and on the page or alter setting and resize or reposition, and you can change colors, write text, and much more. So any change you make will appear real time. So you will have to instantly know how to your site will look to the visitors. So For further customization, you will have to use the options in the menu on the left hand side. Let's go through what you can do here. So let's talk about menus and page. You will find your sites page. Here you can add a new page as well